So now let's take a short distinguish between coercion and undue influence. The first distinguishing point is the definition. We know what is the definition of coercion and what is the definition of undue influence. And from definition, we understand that the nature of coercion is physical force or threat. You apply physical pressure, you apply physical force, or you threaten to apply physical force. However, the nature of undue influence is of moral, mental, emotional, physical, rather psychological pressure. You tend to pressurize the counterparty by convincing him. Next is what kind of act is performed. In coercion, an act forbidden by IPC is performed. IPC is Indian Penal Code. So we can say it relates to crime. However, no such act or threat is given. So there is no crime performed in undue influence. Now, this also brings me to a point wherein if crime is performed under coercion, this also becomes to a case wherein crime is involved. So you can, once it is proved that coercion was performed, you can also put up a case against that party which would be of criminal nature. You can also get into a criminal case against him because now it is proved that coercion was applied. Coercion was applied implies that a crime was done by the party, and since he had committed a crime against you, you can put up a criminal case against him. So you have two remedies in case of coercion. However, since no crime is done in undue influence, you only have a civil remedy. You do not have a criminal remedy here. So you can only put up a case to avoid the contract. That's it. The next is relationship. There may or may not be any relationship between the parties. Subsistence of relation is not the foundation. Parties may be related, they may not be related. It is not necessary that there should be a relation between the parties. The existence of relation is not required. However, existence of relation is compulsory here. There needs to be some kind of relation between the parties. So, this is the distinguish between coercion and undue influence.